guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to do these curls. I think these are perfect for spring break. They just look super beachy and effortless, and it honestly doesn't take that much time at all. You guys ask all the time how I curl my hair, so here's how I do it. I have some great products and they're really inexpensive, really great, and I'm really excited to share them with you. So I'm actually going to be using products from a company called Verb, and their new product that just came out is their C-Texture Spray, and this is what I'm going to be featuring in this video. I absolutely love it so much. It's an amazing C-Texture Spray that you can just easily spray in your hair, and it gives it that effortless curls that look like you were just at the beach. The thing that stands out about this to me is that when you spray it in, it does not feel crunchy at all. It doesn't feel wet. It just kind of feels like a dry shampoo that you spray in, but you can definitely feel the texture in your hair. It feels like you just got off the beach. It's so amazing. They have an assortment of products. They have their shampoo and conditioner, and all these things smell so good. They smell like the epitome of the beach. I don't even know how to explain it. It just kind of smells like salty and fresh and beachy. And then they also have a C spray, and then this is a C texture cream. All of Verb's products are available on their website. You can also get them at Sephora and at Urban Outfitters. All of their products are $16, and what's also awesome is that they're vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, made in the US. All the stuff that you're looking for in hair products are in Verb products. If you guys are interested in checking out these products, just click my link in the description down below and you can get yourself some of those. But without further ado, let's just get into the actual tutorial of how I do this. Okay, so I washed my hair and then I just blow dry it, and I did a middle part because if we're going to be doing some beachy waves, I think a middle part kind of fits that best. I mean, you can do whatever you want. Normally, I haven't done a middle part in a long time, so then I'm just going to brush up my hair to get all the tangles, because curling your hair when it is tangly, not fun. So I'm going to put a little bit of this Verb C-Texture Spray in my hair even before I curl it, just so that it kind of gives it a little bit of texture and body, and I think it holds the curls in a little better. So I'm just going to spray some of that. This stuff smells so good. It makes me feel like I'm right at the beach, which I could use about now. It is so freezing here. I can't wait for summer. I know a lot of people section up their hair when they're curling because they have a lot of hair. I don't have that much hair, so I usually just leave it how it is and just take little sections, and it's usually fine. I mean, sometimes I forget pieces, but oh well. So the curling iron that I'm going to be using, this is super cheap. I don't even know. This is a Conair. It was probably like $15 at Target or even Walmart probably. This is just a simple clamp one. I just wanted to show one that is inexpensive so you guys don't have to think that you have to have a $100 curling iron to be able to do these curls, because that is definitely not the case. What I'm going to do is just take a section, maybe about like 1 inch long, just like this. And so then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap the hair around like you normally would, but I'm going to leave a lot. This is like right in my face. I'm going to leave about 2 to 3 inches of hair at the end, and that's what's going to give it that beachy wave kind of look. It's not going to look super put together, and it's just going to look very loose and natural because we have it straight at the ends. So then I just kind of pull it a little to make it a little more bouncy, and then move on to the other sections, and I'm just going to repeat that. How long does it take you guys to curl your hair? Because I don't know if it's just my hair or because I've been curling it for a long time, probably just my hair, but I can do it in like 5 to 7 minutes, like so quickly. So with these, you don't really have to put that much thought into it, honestly. It really is a messy look, so it doesn't matter how precise you are, really. I'm going to take these front pieces, and I do these for a very little amount of time, and I'm doing it like this because I don't like when it's super curly at the top because it's right in the front. And I like those just to kind of frame my face. Then I just run my fingers through it. My contacts are like stuck. I can't see at all. Alright, so that's one side done, and now we can move to the other. I'm just going to come back when I finish this side. Just running my fingers through this again. And I'm going to take my brush. This is just a Tangle Teaser. Especially when my hair is in a middle part, I just feel it lacks a lot of body. Tease that at the top. Then I'm going to take the C-Texture Spray again. Like, it's not crunchy at all. It just feels kind of windswept. I love it. So as you can see, super easy, very quick, and I think it's so pretty and perfect for all of you ladies that are planning on going on spring break soon. This will just be a really quick and easy hairdo that you can do that looks effortless, but you put that time in, girl. So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you did, and definitely make sure to check out Verb, which will be linked in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.